Lesson 4C, the mouth. The tearing and mashing of food begins in the mouth. The average adult will have between 28 to 32 teeth, where their front incisors are for cutting, the canines for hunting, the premolars for cracking and gnawing, and the molars for grinding and chewing, a process collectively called mastication. The ball of food in your mouth, known as the bolus, is moved around by a large muscle called the tongue, which ensures that the food is chewed by the appropriate teeth. The tongue is also a sensory organ that can detect chemicals via the taste buds, which can warn us if we've eaten something potentially dangerous if it tastes funny, or to encourage us to eat more if the food tastes pleasant. In addition to all of the mechanical digestion that occurs in the mouth by the way of the teeth, the mouth also has salivary glands along the cheeks, along your lower jaw, and underneath your tongue. These glands are defined as exocrine glands, as they secrete their products into ducts that drain into a cavity or opening. Endocrine glands are organs that produce secretions that enter directly into the bloodstream, like thyroid sibling hormone that we spoke about in our negative feedback lesson. In this case, the secretion is saliva and it drains into the mouth, which helps in lubricating the food so that the bolus does not break apart. Saliva also dissolves particles so that food taste can be detected by the taste buds. The amylase that is found in saliva helps to chemically break down starches into smaller saccharides, which can make food taste sweeter, which makes eating starchy foods more satisfying. Saliva also acts as a cleanser, washing away debris from the teeth, helping with oral hygiene. The roof of the mouth is called the hard palate, which is bony. It protects the mouth as hard, tough food are chewed. Beyond that is the soft palate, which is no longer supported by bone, but is purely tissue, and will separate the back of the throat called the pharynx when swallowing, so that food does not go up into the nasal cavity, but rather down into the esophagus. Located in the back of the throat in the pharynx are two lymphatic organs called the tonsils. These organs are involved with the immune system, but may become inflamed on occasion called tonsillitis. If one is prone to recurring tonsillitis, then a tonsillectomy or surgical removal may be required. To summarize, the mouth is a primary site of mechanical digestion by the use of your teeth. Saliva is principally used to hold the bolus together, with only a small amount of chemical digestion occurring in the mouth by the way of salivary amylase digesting starches.